The Parliamentary Health Committee probing the suspected irregular award of contracts by the National Hospital Insurance Fund, NHIF, for the provision of medical insurance services to civil servants was expected to table its report in Parliament this afternoon. However, even before it disclosed the contents of its report to members of the August House, its chairman, Dr Robert Monda, claimed his life was in danger.
I would want to ask the country to stand by my side.
And the source of the threats, he says, are the recommendations his committee has made for further investigations on high-profile persons alleged to be behind the 4.2 billion shillings scam. The committee has recommended in its report that Medical Services Minister Professor Anyang Nyong'o and his public service counterpart Dalmas Otieno be investigated by the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission to ascertain the roles they may have played in the scheme that was meant to benefit thousands of civil servants.
If the police commissioner cannot provide security for me, whose security are they sure of?
The committee recommends in its report that Professor Anyang Nyong'o be investigated for his alleged involvement with Jayesh Saini, who holds 99% shareholding in Clinix Healthcare Limited that was allocated 202 million shillings in the scheme. Another healthcare provider, Meridian, was awarded 116 million shillings. The committee in its report stated that Saini had been blacklisted from doing business with the government over previous cases of fraud.
But the claims made by the Member of Parliament Chache are of a very grave and serious nature.
Other top government officials being recommended for further probing are Medical Services PS Mary Ngari, the Director of Medical Services Dr Francis Kimani, and the Registrar General Francis Gachuri. The Parliamentary Committee also recommended a fresh probe on the suspended CEO of the National Health Insurance Fund, Richard Karich, and the entire board that was recently sent packing by President Mwai Kibaki.
The truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
Clinix CEO Zach Todi Madahana will also be probed afresh if the Parliamentary Committee's report is adopted by the House. He is accused of giving false evidence and adorning a turban, ostensibly to disguise his identity. The report will be formally tabled and debated in Parliament on Tuesday next week. Francis Gachuri, Citizen Live at 9.